Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday. It's about 7:10 Eastern Time. We're about 12 full hours through this New England storm that blew through all the way from the West Coast. Apparently, this thing has been a beast across the country. Um, Today, what we're going to do is just this is an intro video. I'm going to show you guys kind of where we're at so far after 12 hours of snowfall. I'm going to monitor the situation through the day today, and then what we're going to do is take some footage throughout the day and kind of show you. We're supposed to receive a mix of ice and snow at some point here today as the wind shifts. But we'll see how that goes. So for right now, come with me. I'm going to show you where we're at. All right, everybody, welcome back. This is my front door here. If you don't have one of these, this is called a snow lock. What it does is keeps the big bagged snow from coming inside the house. So it's always very important to keep your snow lock activated. If you need help with that, obviously see the user manual, or you can ask a friend online. Anyways, let's see where the snow has left us this morning after starting at about 7 o'clock last night. All the way up to the door there, so it looks like I'm gonna have to put a good amount of shoveling in just to get out. Let's see. Oh, there's my shovel. There we go. You guys, this is a 12-hour accumulation here. Guess I have one step now. There was nothing on either vehicle prior to the snow start. I mean, look how deep it is. So what we're gonna do here, yeah, we've got a good amount of snow. I mean, look, you can see it's already welled up around the tires, halfway up around the tire. And guys, this thing's just starting. We're on the front half of it. I wouldn't say just starting. So what we're gonna do, I've got my handy dandy measuring tape here. So like I said, we're going to do it on this portion of the car. As you can see, the door jamb all the way up. This is about where I wanted to measure from anyways. So far, we've already received 6 inches. 6 inches of snow in 12 hours. It's not as heavy as they said it was going to be, but today hasn't happened yet. And as you can see, it is coming down quite heavy already. Let's see, here's something. Oh, it's so cold. There's my face. All right, guys, I'll check back in with you here in a little bit. Hey, everybody. Checking in again. Oh.
Look how much snow we have.
I just got done snow blowing what I could out of the driveway. My wife is finishing up some of the trim parts. Look at me, covered. It's still coming down, man. It's like every time I get a little bit out of the driveway, it just picks right back up again. So here's where we are so far. You can see where the snow is still up to halfway up that well there. And these banks, man, they just keep getting higher and higher and higher. I mean, that's got to be every bit of 6 feet right there. So, all right. Well, we're still checking in. It's still coming down. Have a good day.